How to animate image to video by using Google Flow. Go on Google Flow and click on New Project. Then click here on this plus and then click here on Upload Media and find the image that you wish to animate into a video by using Google Flow. This is the image. Give it a few seconds to upload that image to Google Flow. Then click here Add to Prompt. Then click here on Video. Choose the video, choose the ingredients, choose the aspect ratio. I will choose 9:16. Here choose Omni Flash. Here you need to choose the duration of the video. I will choose 8 seconds. Here you need to choose how many options Google Flow will offer you. It will create 1, 2, 3 or 4 videos and you need to choose which of those versions is the best. I will choose only one and here you can see it will cost you 12 credits. Then here you need to give it a prompt. This is my prompt and then just click here and Google Flow will create that video. Google Flow will animate image to the video. Just give it a few seconds to process this. Okay, Google Flow finished our video. Let me just click here to see how this looks. So this is how you animate image into a video by using Google Flow.